crafty friends, it's Jess from jesscrafts.com, and today I'm here with a card featuring cat Scrappiness. The day this is released is National Coffee Day in the year 2018, so there's a celebration starting at the Coffee Loving Paper Crafters website, which I will link you to, and it's a Bloghop featuring a lot of the amazing super sponsors of the coffee hops that they tend to put on. And Cat is one of them. So we're designing some cards with Cat's coffee products. For the cup, I am using the layered coffee cup. And I'm mixing it with, and which was released a few months ago, but I'm mixing it with the new Let's Get Caffeinated stamp set. The coffee mug in the die set does have like these little bumps where you could put the sleeve on the coffee cup, but I didn't want the sleeve because I wanted a larger saying. So I cut it out of craft and then I trimmed off those edges there. Then I will stamp the sentiment from Let's Get Caffeinated, and I'm just going to choose a brown dye ink from my stash. I think it happens to be from Lawn Fawn. And I'll stamp it with a stamp positioner just because these are pretty large, bold sentiments. So sometimes they don't stamp perfect the first time. Oh, it's actually Cup of Joe ink from Hero Arts. I was trying to be cute and clever because Cup of Joe, coffee lovers, etc., etc. There are, as far as I know, I don't know all the details yet because I'm recording this kind of in advance, but there's prizes and discounts and such along the hop. So definitely check it out. And I don't know exactly where you'll need to be linked to yet, but they will be in the video description. I stamped it a few times so it's nice and dark, but with all dye inks, they'll dry back a bit. So it looks really dark now, but it actually won't be so dark later on. And then I decided that I wanted to accessorize with some coffee beans rather than trying to line them up in the stamp positioner tool. I'm just going to use them with a block, but since I'd never stamped the bean before, I wanted to make sure it's stamped well. A lot of times the very first time you stamp a stamp, it won't stamp perfectly. So you just get it kind of inky and then it will work well after that. So I stamped those 3 little coffee beans as sort of an embellishment on it because essentially I'm trying to make like a reusable travel mug you might find, and except for I'm going to add sequins to mine, and I don't think you'd probably have that on a reusable travel mug because that wouldn't be very practical, but sequins are fun, and so that's what I'm going to be adding. I'm using the Sparkling Manhattan and the Chocolate Truffle, which aren't like officially coffee sequin mixes, but they both work super well for coffee cards because they're these just mixes of beautiful browns and caramel colors, and the Sparkling Manhattan has glitter gold sequins, which is why I had to use it. You probably know at this point if you've watched my channel a few times, I am obsessed with Cat's glitter sequins, and as I mentioned earlier this month in another video, she has more glitter sequins coming. The background of my card, which I didn't, it's pretty simple. It's really just the Cat Scrappiness Peacock backdrop die, and I cut it out of some orange cardstock, then layered it on top of some red. It's just such a gorgeous, simple die. I've already used it in other videos. I could see myself using it all the time, and we'll probably have to not use it in every video because it's, just simple and pretty. And I wanted to pick those colors to kind of invoke the feeling of fall because while I had a lot of browns going on, which is also great for fall, I wanted to sort of punch up the fallness of my card. I am using Multimedia Matte by Ranger to attach my sequins, but glue dots would work well too. That is it for my card today. I wanted to keep this super quick so that you could go participate in that blog hop and find your discounts and your giveaways, etc., etc. Thanks so much for joining me. Please give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Bye.